The list asset. Lists are an effective way of presenting important information. They're also useful for summarizing information. There are two types of lists available in the Alison publisher: ordered and unordered. That is, numbered and bullet point lists. Unordered lists are commonly used in learning outcomes and module summary pages, as can be seen in the examples. To add a list asset to a page, click on the List button in the Assets menu. Highlight the default text by clicking and dragging the cursor over it, or by double-clicking on the text. Type or paste in new text. If you are pasting text from another source, right-click and choose the option Paste as Plain Text. Always save your work. You may need to edit the text in order to distribute the list evenly. For example, left-click beside the text and press the backspace key on the keyboard. Once the text is flush with the previous line, press the Return key on the keyboard. You can change the list type by using the List Type buttons in the Edit menu. Simply click anywhere in the asset and choose the other button to reverse the action. You can add a border to the asset by choosing a border option from the Options menu. You can preview the page by clicking on the Preview tab in the Page Editor. You can insert a header by clicking on Asset Header in the Options menu. Type the heading text into the box and click Apply. To remove the header, click Remove. The following Edit menu options are available for text in the list asset: bold, italic, underlined, superscript, and subscript. You can also change the font size by clicking on the Font Size button in the Edit menu. Note that this changes the size of all the characters in the asset box. This concludes the video tutorial on using lists in course pages.